Before I moved to South Bend, I was living in New York City and working as an actress. My mom moved here to teach at St. Mary's. Each time I'd come home, I fell more and more in love with South Bend. I thought, okay, Abby, what do you really love to do other than this thing that has your whole heart, which is acting? What else is going to fulfill you? And that was being in the kitchen, specifically baking. I thought, oh, I'll open a bakery. When I moved to South Bend, I saw so much opportunity. I think people were ready to welcome new ideas. South Bend just opened up lots of possibilities for me. I grew up in the kitchen with my grandmother, and she was a pretty zany woman, just a mad scientist in the kitchen. There were no rules. Whatever you want to do, you can do. And I really loved that freedom. I still love that freedom. Revisiting some of those recipes and then putting our unique modern spin on that. Let's start with brown butter magic cookie bars, pecan pie bars, mixed berry crumble bars, heart-shaped sugar cookies, sprinkle cookies, chocolate espresso sandwich cookies, minty grasshopper sandwich cookies, lemon rosemary sandwich cookies, chocolate chip oatmeal peanut butter cookie the size of your face, bagels, dark chocolate cherry cake, Indiana whiskey carrot cake, coconut cake, lemon squares, oatmeal cream pies. We call them the not so little Debbie. Cinnamon rolls. How did I not start with cinnamon rolls? They are our signature item. I love my customers. They are incredibly enthusiastic. It makes me feel really happy when they open the door and they just run up to the bakery case and go, oh my God, they're here. I've been waiting on them for so long. And that's pretty awesome. When I moved here, my intention was to create a real base for my life. And the people I've met, the creation of this business, the building of my family made me sink those roots further into the ground here. It's a great place to live and be. I'm Abby Gillan Emmons. I own the Ragamuffin Bakery and Coffee, and I am a South Bend local.